Hello and welcome to a not so happy ADHD Customs. As you saw at the last video, I went to the RBC Summer Bash. Well, the day after, let me just show you, this happened. I seem to have smoke bellowing out of my back wheel. I feel like I can smell his brake pads. What the hell? What the hell is going on here? What the hell is going on here? Wow. Damn, it got so hot. All my spikes are melting off. Oh my god. Oh, my spikes are melting off. Shit. That's how hot it got. My spikes have all gone funny. What the hell? So now I need to get to the bottom of why that wheel locked on and see how much damage it's done. So let's see what's going on, shall we? I can smell the brake, the burnt brake fluid pads. I did something very stupid yesterday as well. I squirted hot water, cold water on the wheel, but I'm hoping it hasn't warped anything or warped the wheel. I had to do that because I was busy and I had to go out, so I didn't want to leave this smouldering. So I was worried my van might catch fire, so I had to spray it down. How thick that wheel is! Whoa. Let's see if we can get this off. Right. This is properly stuck on. Oh, hang on. There's movement. There's some kind of movement. Come on. Yes. Come on. Come on. What has happened in here? Wow, them pads are stuck out, aren't they? There we go. Wow. Right. What the hell has happened? And half of that pad's missing there. That's missing at the top there. Hopefully the wheel bearing's still alright. Wheel bearing still seems fine. So I definitely need new pads. What is that saying? Is that stuck out? Strange thing is, it all looks fine. So the handbrake pulls fine. This is strange. Why is it? This is very strange. there's definitely a big piece of pad missing from there. There's definitely a big piece of pad missing from there. Oh, hang on. Look at this. Look at the pad. It's coming off. Is it all like it? Right. That's crazy. What's going on this side of here then? Yeah, this seems fine. It's so strange. It's not like something major's happened. Definitely need new shoes. To be fair, I can't see anything major that's happened in here. There's pieces of this missing, so I'm assuming some of this has broken off and then gone on top of that and blocked the wheel up. And the same here, look, there's a piece missing from down here as well. So I'm assuming that's done the same. It's really odd that they're opposite ends have gone. So, looking at this, I think I'm going to replace the wheel cylinder anyway. But looking at the springs and everything else in here, everything else seems to be in order. All the springs are fine. Wheel bearing seems fine. So, yeah. It all seems in order apart from the shoes. Okay, after a bit more inspection, I've discovered that the wheel cylinder is absolutely fine. It is literally the only thing I can find in here that's wrong is the pads. Sorry, the shoes have got pieces missing on them. That is it. So I really think it's literally, I mean, this piece here is missing. Oh, let me try to focus better. This piece here was missing, and this piece down here was missing, which is a leading edge when the wheel's turning that way. So it would have grabbed that and grabbed that. So I'm assuming these pieces, moved up onto here. This piece moved down onto here, wedged in, and that's what done the damage. Not damage, that's what locked the wheel up. So that's just very strange how that's happened. So anyway, for now I'm gonna get myself some new shoes, give this a good clean up, and yeah, I'll come back to this video when I've got the shoes. Quick update, I've actually slackened off the handbrake cable enough that I'll use first gear for as a handbrake until I can get some shoes, so I ain't got the money at the minute. So yeah, put the wheel back on. Wheel turns, absolutely fine. Ooh, the handbrake's on. Anyway, yeah, wheel turns. So for now, it'll be alright to drive around until I get some shoes. The bit I'm most pissed off about is that all my things have melted inside and they're on the piss and they don't fit properly. They're just going to fall off. The heat has melted my wheel, even cracked that one. The heat has ruined my wheel spikes, and I had to have them specially 3D printed, and I doubt I'll get another set. So that's what's pissed me off the most, to be honest. See you in the next one.